Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling this Indian pattern carrier vehicle from World War II era. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. So here we have our sprue cutters. We need to work with these first. The first step I'm going to do with the sprue cutters is cut away this support plastic underneath the wheel wells here. So you can see how I'm doing that. Just cutting it like this. This is just one way of doing it. I find it's probably best. And then get your clippers in there strongly and just take the whole thing out. Should go out like that. Same for the other side. Like that. There you go. Clean it up a little bit if needed. Now for the back. Alrighty, just keep on cutting away like this. Now, try not to break. It can be fragile, so try to get it where it won't break anything. Keep on cutting this. And clean it up a little bit. Now there, you see how it nearly broke, but with some paint, of course, in the end, that'll be fine. So we got done that step. Let's just clear all this out. This piece is good. Now let's just these. So take this piece and clean up that sprue cut, that sprue mark. Yep. And then we're just cleaning up all these little sprue cuts, cutting them and cleaning up the sprue marks for these tires. Step by step, just keep on cutting them. Now, in this kit, there's actually more tires than you need. This is essentially extra tires for you. You could use it for being held on the car as a spare tire or something, or you can put it in your bits bin and use it for your other vehicles or scenes or whatever you have going on. Just keep on cutting away all these sprues, cleaning up the sprue marks. These crates. Now carefully cut away this. This is the steering wheel. Let's see how I doing that. There's the steering wheel. Last sprue cut. Alright, there's the other bin. Now this teeny little part, I'll tell you what it is later. Alright, so we're done cutting away. Now let's begin the gluing process. So I just want to mention that this Indian pattern carrier comes in two different versions. This open top and then the one with this canvas top. This assembly works for both. There's just a few more details for this open top. So we'll be covering that in this video. Anything we do to this one will work for this one, even less details for that. So the first major step that I'm going to do to glue this together, let's just go ahead and put some glue here. You want to make sure this is going on the right way. Yep, so carefully glue that bottom piece on, making sure that it's in the correct position, and I'm pressing down to make sure it'll stay. One next step that I'm going to do is put a little glue there. And this step we don't need to do in the covered version. We need to do it in this version. This little steering wheel. It's hard. It's a little piece. I'm working with the HO scale. There you go. I got it. Managed to get it. All right, once you have your steering wheel in place, that should be good. There it is. And like I said, I'm working with the HO scale, so any other scale that you're working with should be simply easier. Next, I'm going to put a little glue like that. Then we have this piece. You can look at historical pictures of these vehicles. Let's see that this could be placed like this, or it could be placed open where, it's up so that the people can look through that little window type area. All right, so those are the small details. Now let's go ahead and put some glue down on these sides here. And then let's put these bins there. All right, there's the bins. Then let's put these there. And then let's put this piece here. I believe this is a stretcher. Something. For the side. Now for this one, I'll just put one on this side. But in the kit, it comes with two. You can decide if you wish to use this on this vehicle or just put it in your bits bin. And like I said, there's 2 extra tires too. You can decide to put a spare like on the back or something. But for the purposes of this video, I'll just glue these tires on. That'll be the last step of this kit assembly. So now be careful when doing that. There we go. Pull in here instead. Just put the axle in the center. Should be fairly straightforward. Now the other side. So the gluing, the cutting, everything is done. Just need to finalize by putting these last 2 tires on. And then double check, make sure all the tires are on the surface. Alright, so this is the Indian Pattern Carrier from MiniatureTanks.com, Miniature Tanks Company. Thank you so much for watching. It's available as a kit, a model kit. And here's assembly video for both these versions, the one with the open top and one with the canvas top. Thank you so much for watching.